Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make blueberry cornbread with a streusel topping baked in a cast iron pan. To get started, add 1 egg to a large bowl, along with 28 grams of melted butter, 66 grams of oil, and 150 grams of sugar. Mix with a whisk until combined. Now we will be adding 230 grams of buttermilk, but only add half to start. Mix until combined. Then add 120 grams of all-purpose flour, 234 grams of cornmeal, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Start mixing this together, then add the rest of the buttermilk and stir until combined. Now fold in 255 grams of blueberries, and that's it for the batter. Spray a 10-inch cast iron skillet with cooking spray, then pour the batter in. Evenly spread the batter with your spatula. To make the streusel, add 57 grams of softened butter to a bowl, along with 53 grams of brown sugar and 60 grams of flour. Mix with your hands until everything is combined and crumbly. Sprinkle the streusel evenly on top of the blueberry cornbread. Bake in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. The edges should become golden brown. And that's it! Let it cool for 20 minutes, then you can dig right in while it's still warm. The cornbread is really soft and moist, and the streusel adds a nice crunchy bite. This is seriously delicious. This would make a great dessert, or you can even eat this for breakfast. It reminds me of coffee cake. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!